Next is brand boards, the brand new tab that has been added to GoHighLevel, making things a lot more easier for you. If you have used Canva before, you have seen something like brand kit, and that's exactly the same thing which we have here now. Brand board, personalize your text, colors and other brand essentials. So what it is if you click on create a new brand board, you get all the options of some existing brand boards, and you can start from blank. If I click on start from blank, I click on continue. That's my brand board, the logos, the colors and the typography. I can now make changes to this. I can upload the logo right here. So let's say this is one of my brand logo. Okay, I select the logo, I do a double click here and the logo is updated. Update logo 2. Now let's use the same one. The brand colors, coming to the colors, I can now add some brand colors. Up to 10 colors are supported. The colors you save here will be quickly accessible in your color picker. At least 2 colors are required. So we can now add the different colors that are there in our branding element. So something like this. If you know the hex codes of the colors, good. If not, then you can pull off the hex codes and update them accordingly over here. Once done, you click on save the board and this brand board is ready for use. Where can you use this brand board? How it makes your life easy when you are working on designing your funnels and landing pages. We'll talk about it sometime later. But yeah, then you also have the option to add typography. So font 1, font 2, font 3, font 4, font 5 and so on. So you can add different fonts that goes with your brand board. You can rename this brand board. So I would rename this to Evolve 109 brand board and hit on save. Then I also have the option to set this as default, or I come back and my brand board is created, and by default it has taken this as the default one. Now once I create one more, I'll now get the option to select some other brand board as the default brand board. Let's say I select Earth. Okay, so all the typography, the fonts are all added here. Again, I can say set this as default, move back, and now the Earth is default. I can change this and make this as default again. So that's how you manage the brand boards, the newest and the latest feature from GoHighLevel.